Now, several times in the Bible, starting with Isaiah 42:14, the Lord himself says, I will cry as a woman in travail. Well, that's a woman who 9 months later, by the way, is giving birth to a child. Jeremiah says it. A couple of the other prophets say it. And they're talking about this as if it's something physically possible to do to a man, right? Well, how would that be accomplished? Not because you're faithfully marrying a woman, but because you're not faithfully marrying a woman or a man, right? You're tempting the image of God, which is male and female in one body, right? Even your mom and dad, right? Sperm and egg, right? You're not sperm only, nor are you egg only, right? And you cannot have the sperm alone, nor the egg alone. Durr. Or none of us would be here. Even if you remove the X or the Y and just leave the egg and put a Y in it, it's still considered YO. You just removed the sperm. I mean, the female X from the zygote that is the egg, right? Do you understand? You're all male and female. Now, they're lying to us about it because Constantine took over the church 325 years later when only the Gnostics were there to confront him about it. And though more popular than the Orthodox at the time, Constantine sided with Orthodox. Right. And changed our doctrine. And it's confusing the hell out of you all. Sorry, Catholics, you're carrying Constantine's torch and going to hell with him. You know what that means? Same as Satan. You're not going to heaven. You can't. You don't know what you're doing is wrong. But you're not able to escape the scriptures. That's the problem, too. See, overlooking something is called silly either way. You're either playing too dumb to understand it, or you're smart enough to understand it, but seal it like you can pretend you don't know what it means. When the Bible talks about a man crying as a woman about the birth, is it talking about a male or a hermaphrodite? That's your question, and what's the answer? Hermaphrodite. Why? Because it's the first image of God. Not male or female. In fact, the male and female are one in whose body? Christ Jesus' body. For by one Spirit you are all baptized into one body, whether Jew or Gentile, bond or free, male and female. It goes down the list. Now, Paul may have said it once or twice, I'm not sure. See, some fool could have removed it from Corinthians as well. Because then you would have two scriptures saying it, alright? Not just one, like Galatians 3:28, 27:28, alright? Now, 27 talks of the baptized being baptized into Christ and putting on Christ, which is still the same thing, right? See, if we're baptized into Christ and you put on Christ, male and female, Jew and Gentile, bond and free, are them one in him, right? Hello? Or do you just not want to see that either? Yep.